Chapter 1. Evaluation of Computer. About the chapter. Introduction. Early calculating devices. History of computers. Characteristics of computers. Introduction. Computer is a man-made machine. It is one of the greatest inventions. The computer that we use nowadays are very different from the computer were used a few decades ago. Computers have a long history. Let's learn about the history of computers and understand how the present-day computers were developed. Computer work on IPO, input process output, cycle to convert raw data into useful information. Let us learn about the history of computers that leads to the development of present-day computers. History of computers. Computers have evolved over a period of time. The development of present-day computers can be studied in reference to the different generations of computing devices. In each generation, technology improvement changed the way computer operated. The computer became cheaper, smaller, efficient, more powerful and reliable with each generation. Before learning about the various generations of computers, let us learn about some of the early calculating machines that laid the foundation of present-day computers. Brain booster. Have you seen computer being in use anywhere? Write the place and it used over there. Early calculating devices. Some of the early calculating devices that were used in the were abacus, Pascaline calculator, analytical engine, Napier bones, diffusion engine, IBM Mark I. Abacus. Abacus was the first calculating machine invented to count large numbers. It was invented about 5,000 years ago in China. Simple calculation like addition and subtraction can be done on abacus by sliding the beads along the rods. Abacus was also called a counting frame. Quick fact. The name abacus was derived from Greek word abax, meaning a table or a board inverted with Napier bones. Napier's bones are called Napier's rods, were invented by Scottish mathematician John Napier in 1617. It was made up of a set of rods. It was meant for simple calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions of numbers. Pascaline calculator. By C. Pascal invented the first mechanical calculator in 1642 called arithmetic or Pascaline. It had a box with 8 movable wheels called dice. It could add, subtract, multiply and divide the numbers. Pascaline could handle numbers up to 999, 999, 999. Difference engine. The difference engine, the first automatic calculating engine, was developed by Charles Babbage, who is known as the father of computer. In the early 18th century, it could not perform complex mathematical calculation. Analytical engine. In 1833, the first mechanical computer was developed by Charles Babbage. This named as analytical engine. The machine laid the foundation of modern computers. That's why Charles Babbage is known as the father of modern computers. IBM Mark I. IBM Mark I was the first electromechanical computer developed in 1943 by Grace Hopper. It was very large in number. This was considered as the first computer in real sense. ENIAC. The ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, was the first general-purpose, fully electronic digital computer developed by J. Presper, Eckert and John Mauchly. The ENIAC was capable of performing 5000 addition or 350 multiplication per second. It continued over 18,000 vacuum tubes. ADVAC. The ADVAC, Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer, was an improvement over the ENIAC. It was a stored program mechanic. The ERIAC, Mauchly and John von Neumann jointly developed ADVAC. UNIVAC first. UNIVAC first, Universal Automatic Computer first, was the first commercially available computer produced in the United States. J. Presper, Eckert and John Mauchly designed UNIVAC first. Characteristics of computers. A computer has certain characteristics that make it different from other machines. These are speed. A computer can perform large number of calculations in a fraction of time. Accurate. A computer always gives correct result. Diligent. A computer can work for long hours. It does not get tired. It can do the same work again and again with the same accuracy and speed. Versatile. Different tasks are performed by modern-day computers. They are used at various places like offices, banks, hospitals, schools, homes, etc. for performing various jobs. High storage. Modern computer can store large amounts of data and programs for future use. This data can be reverted as and when required. Faster communication. Using computers, we can exchange information through the internet all over the world. Let's recall. Abacus was the first calculating machine. Blaise Pascal invented the first mechanical calculator in 1642 called arithmetique or Pascaline. Elliptical engine is the first mechanical computer. Charles Babbage is known as the father of modern computer. A computer possesses these characteristics: speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility, high storage capacity, and